This one's hump is strong, and the weight looks good.
Agreed. Healthy eyes and strong legs. It is suitable for the journey.
Walk on now. Easy, easy. Shh. Hurry, get the next one ready. Watch his feet on the ramp. Easy now.
All clear, shut the gate.
Keep moving, gently now. Up the ramp, that's it. All right, keep them moving slowly.
Okay, they're all in. Clear the ramp so we can lock it up.
Pull them forward, steady.
Move over, give them space.
Secure the ropes, make sure they are balanced.
All right, you are clear. Proceed forward, watch the turn. Up there, easy now. Walk on through.
Heart sounds normal. How's the lower limb response?
Intact. No swelling detected around the joint capsule.
His breathing is strong, absolutely no issues there.
Yeah. Vitals are perfect. He's in top condition for the herd.
Tag applied, reading 4 Bravo 7.
Confirmed. Inputting health status now. Vitals look good. Move that one forward. Watch the gate, guide them left. All right, next one coming through.
Send the choice cuts down. This one is prime, move it over.
Notes. The meat is thoroughly washed and cleaned using controlled water systems before moving forward.
The meat is thoroughly washed and cleaned using controlled water systems before moving forward.
This marbling meets the standard.
Confirmed. Noted for batch 7.
All right, sending this lot through.
After treatment, the leather is removed from the tanks and hung up in large drying areas. Rows of hanging hides
Workers apply labels and branding to each package, including important details such as product type, weight, and process.
Make sure that stack is secure before we wrap it.
Thermal labels facing out on this row.
All right, this one is ready for pickup. All right, bring it back slowly, watch the clearance, set it right there.
From the factory floor to international markets, our logistics network ensures global reach for the camel industry.